We are at Custer Farms Wheat and Grain Facility. We're scalping the rye before we run it through the air machine.
We're a licensed grain elevator in Wisconsin. We buy and sell corn, soybeans, rye, oats, and then we also have a farming entity, which is Custer Farms. We also are doing international business, so we're shipping grain and different commodities overseas. We actually purchased this cleaning product to help with that. Just the whole process of it, not a lot of wear parts, and we felt that it would be a great fit for us. We originally started with just the density cleaner.
You'll get it clean with the wind machine, but you've got to take out this stuff here.
So then we needed to get the scalper.
We've got a number 7 screen in there. We tried a 6 yesterday playing with it. We were getting a little bit too much rye in there. 7 seems to work pretty good. Looks like when they swathed it, they had some deer take a dump on the swath. We're taking out deer droppings, stems from lamb's quarter, foxtail, anything else you see in there. My best guess is a minimum of 800 bushel an hour through the GCS scalper. It seems to be doing a pretty good job.
I think overall, I think that the equipment that we purchased is going to be the right stuff in the end, and it does do a good job, but it's just learning how to operate it and having the support of Alex here as well, being an hour away or whatever has a lot of value. In the end, we want to deliver a quality product. I think that we're going to have a very nice product when it's all said and done.